Welcome to Profit Path, your ultimate guide to mastering money, building wealth, and securing financial freedom. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. From smart investing to money mindset hacks, we break down complex finance topics into simple, actionable steps. Our goal? To help you grow your wealth, make smarter financial decisions, and achieve financial independence. If you're ready to unlock your full financial potential, hit subscribe and start your journey with Profit Path today. Part 1. The Secret Millionaires Know. What if I told you that billionaires and Olympic athletes use a simple trick to achieve their goals, and that you can use it too, starting today? No, it's not luck, it's not talent, it's visualization, the power to see success before it happens. But here's the problem. Most people do it completely wrong and never see results. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a financial vision board that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to manifest wealth into your life. And trust me, if you skip this, you might stay stuck in financial struggles forever. Let's change that. Part 2. Why vision boards work. Your brain can't tell the difference between real experiences and vividly imagined ones. This is scientifically proven, and it's why visualization is so powerful. Harvard researchers found that people who visualize success perform 30% better than those who don't. And elite athletes, they mentally rehearse winning before they ever step on the field. Now think about millionaires. Oprah, Jim Carrey, Elon Musk, they all credit visualization for their success. Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check before he became famous. Years later, he actually got paid $10 million for a movie role. This isn't magic, it's mindset. And today, you're going to reprogram your brain for wealth. Part 3. Step-by-step guide to creating a financial vision board. Let's create your wealth blueprint, your personal financial vision board. Step 1. Get clear on your money goals. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to earn in a year? What kind of lifestyle do I want? What financial habits do I need to develop? Step 2. Gather your materials. You'll need a board, scissors, magazines, or a printer. Step 3. Find images that trigger emotion. Your brain responds to feelings, not just words. Instead of just writing, I want $1, find a picture of your dream house, car, or travel destination. Make your vision tangible. Step 4. Add powerful affirmations. Phrases like, money flows easily to me, train your subconscious to attract wealth. Step 5. Place your board where you'll see it every day. Repetition reprograms your mind for success. Now, it's time to put it all together and bring your vision to life. Part 4. Common vision board mistakes and how to fix them. Most people fail with vision boards because they make these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1. They never look at it. Your vision board won't work if it's collecting dust. You need to engage with it daily, morning and night. Mistake number 2. They focus on what they don't want. If your board says, get out of debt, your brain still focuses on debt. Instead, reframe it to, I am financially free. Your mind moves toward positive direction, not avoidance. Mistake number 3. They don't take action. Visualization is a tool, not a substitute for effort. Pair your vision board with daily habits, investing, saving, learning. That's where the magic happens. Now let me show you my personal vision board. These images aren't random, they're deeply meaningful. Here's my dream home. I printed this because I want to live here within 5 years. Here's an image of $100K in a bank account. This represents my first major savings goal. And this one, it's a picture of my business scaling to 7 figures. I've used vision boards before, and I've achieved goals that once felt impossible. This process works if you commit to it. Now it's your turn. Part 6. Final thoughts and call to action. Your vision board is more than just pictures. It's a daily reminder of the life you're building. Look at it every morning and night. Feel the emotions, take action, trust the process. What's one financial goal you want to manifest? Comment below. I want to hear your vision. Hit subscribe if you want to master money and manifestation. Let's turn your dreams into reality.